Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Brigit. Brigit is an app that offers small dollar paycheck advances to help you avoid overdraft issues. It also has a budgeting and credit building feature. If you don't have a Brigit account, you could click our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get up to $250. We are using the web version. The sign up process may be a little different on the app, but it's pretty much the same. On the app, you will see a sign up button. Once you clicked on that, similar step will also appear. Now to start, enter the email address you wish to use, and next is your phone number. Once entered, click on Text me a code. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Continue. Next, create a 4-digit PIN. Enter it on the fields provided, then click on Continue. After that, enter your first name and last name. Then click on Continue. Now, you need to connect your bank for them to send you money. But first, confirm the following. Click on the tick boxes, then click on Connect. It will inform you that Brigit used Plaid to connect your account. To proceed, click on Continue. First, select a bank. After selecting, enter your bank credentials. Then click on Submit. Next, verify your identity. You could either receive a code via text or email. Click on the option you wish to select, then click on Continue. Once you receive the verification code, enter it. Then click on Submit. Now, select the account you wish to use. Then click on Continue. On this page, calculation will be done. Once complete, click on Proceed. Here, you will see how Brigit works. Read every details, then click Next. And now your account has been created. That's how you sign up for Brigit. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.